Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your payment method was declined. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply make sure that your debit or credit card's expiry date is not over. If this is the case, then what you have to do is just simply renew your debit or credit card. And if isn't the case, then what you have to do is just simply change your Apple ID password. For that, open settings, tap on your Apple ID, then tap on password and security. And from here, what you have to do is just simply tap on change password, and you have to give your passcode of your phone. And from here, you have to enter the password, then confirm it, then just simply tap on change. And after that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. And if the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply sign out your Apple ID. For that, open setting, tap on your Apple ID, just simply tap on sign out, and then sign in it again, and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply manage payment. From here, you have to tap on settings, go to your Apple ID, then just simply tap on payment and shipping. And from here, check you have entered the correct information, especially for the zip code. So after that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply tap on settings, again tap on your Apple ID, just simply tap on media and purchases, just simply tap on view account. And here you have to give your Apple ID password. So you have to wait for a while, and then scroll it down from here. And here you can see, just simply tap on purchase history. And from here, make sure that you don't have any unpaid subscription. If here, then what you have to do, you have to pay for them or remove, and then go back from here. And after that, what you have to do is just simply tap on country or region. And then what you have to do is just simply tap on change country or region. And from here, you have to select your country, like I'm selecting here United States. So you have to select your country, and here are the terms and conditions, so you have to read it carefully. And just simply tap on agree, and again tap on agree. And from here, you have to select your payment method. I am selecting at none. And here you have to give your billing address. You can put fake one as well. So you have to select your state, like I'm selecting here California. So you have to put zip code here, so you have to put actual zip code here. If you don't know about your zip code, then you have to search at Safari browser and another browser. In case of California, 2090201. And here you have to put your phone number. You can put fake one as well, and just simply tap on next. And after that, I'll guarantee you your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.